Good morning, students. Our today topic is famous travelers of India. First one, Max first foreign ambassador to India. Next one, Fayan, Chinese Buddhist monk and travelogue, a record of Buddhist kingdoms. Next one, Hensang, travelogue, Great Tang record on Western regions. Next one, Al Biruni, travelogue, Tariq al Hind, Persian scholar. He was Persian scholar. Next one, Ibn Battuta, travelogue, Kitab ul Rihala, Moroccan travelers. Next one, Marco Polo, Italian traveler. Travelogue, The Travelers of Marco Polo. Next one, Vasco da Gama, Portuguese traveler who discovered sea route to India from Europe. In history, there have many several travelers who visited India and wrote about their experience. Today we will study about them. First one is Magsthenes. This is a picture of Magsthenes. This is a picture of Magsthenes. Now read about him. Magsthenes came from Greece and wrote Indica about the life in ancient India. In this book, he gave a detailed account the rule of Chandragupta Maurya and the people of India. Next one is Fayan. This is a picture of Fayan. Now read about him. Fayan was travelled India in the region of Chandragupta Dwitya. His name also Vikramaditya. He visited the birthplace of Gautam Buddha at Lumbini. He wrote about the history and geography of India. Next one, Hensang. Now see the picture of Hensang. He was Hensang. Now read about him. Hensang was travelled to India during the reign of King Harshvardhan. He recorded information about India in his book. The book name was Great Tang Records on Western Regions. Next one, Al-Biruni. See the picture of Al-Biruni. Now read about him. Al-Biruni came to India in the 11th century during the invention by Muhammad of Ghazni. He wrote a book called Tariq al-Hind. This book detailed account of medieval India. And the next one, Ibn Battuta. Now see the picture of Ibn Battuta. Now read about him. Ibn Battuta came from Morocco and travelled across India for a long period of time. He recorded his observation in his book Kitabul Rihla about India history. Next one, Marco Polo. Marco Polo was the first European traveller who wrote his experience in India in the Travel of Marco Polo. See the picture of Marco Polo. Next one, last one, Vasco da Gama. He was reached India by sea. He discovered the sea route to India from Europe. That is why his journey to India is considered a milestone in the world history. Now see the picture of Vasco da Gama. Our today topic is over. Thank you. Try it.